find him, Grandpa. Owen, where's Owen? Wait, let me get in front of you. Where's Owen? We've been looking and looking for Owen. Owen, is Owen in the toilet? No. Is Owen in the wastebasket? No. Is Owen in the bathtub? No. Well, where is he? Where is Owen? We can't find him anywhere.
There he is. Oh,
Where is he? Oh my gosh. Oh, there he is.
Okay.
Okay, you gonna hide again? Okay, let's go out. Now we'll get Daddy. Okay.
Oh, Dad, Mike's busy.
What's he doing?
Yeah, he's doing some work.
Okay. Okay, Grandma's gonna find you. Owen! Where's Owen? Owen? Knock, knock. Owen! Knock, knock. Knock, knock. Owen, is he in here? Oh, I can't. He's not in here. Is he in here? Where is he? Is he under here? Oh, is he back here? Owen, is he under the rug? Oh, is he in the bathtub? Where is he? Is he behind the curtain here? Where is he? Is he on the ceiling? Mama, have you seen Owen? Would you come in and see if you can see Owen? Is he up? Is he in the ceiling? Mama, hurry, come here. Can you see Owen anywhere? Owen! There's Owen! There's Owen!
Watch your head, honey.
He wants